This is not
ठीक
awkward.
है.
तुम्हें
Yes.
साइलेंसेस ऑकवर्ड लगता है?
नहीं, ये मतलब not all silences. I'm an extrovert, so I feel pressured to
अच्छा हाँ, right.
fill up silences, but not all silences I find awkward.
Yeah.
Like sometimes I'm just exhausted and I literally just want to be silent, so I just accept that it might just be awkward, but I'm just gonna be silent.
It's like a difficult decision. Like, if you're breaking up with someone, and then
Yeah.
there's a silence that, okay, how do we say bye? And then it's
And then you walk in the same after saying bye.
What a beautiful way to begin the discussion about a love story with a breakup. Beautiful.
Yeah. That's our version of To All the Boys I Loved Before.
Yeah.
This is the third movie. It's called To All the Boys Forever and Always. It's a beautiful trilogy. It's on Netflix. And it's based on 3 books. Author का नाम था Jenny Han. And it's a very nice. It's a story of a half Korean, half American girl who writes anonymous letters to her crush, and her sister goes and delivers it without her knowledge. And this is how it all began. And finally, she ends up with the love of her life, Peter Kavinsky. And this is the third series. अब क्या होता है, ये फिल्म इस ट्रिलॉजी का साथिया है, क्योंकि अब तक आपने प्यार देखा, अब आप रिलेशनशिप देखिए, ठीक है. और रिलेशनशिप प्यार से 1000 गुना ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है, तो ये फिल्म काफी मजेदार है. एंड वी हैव अ वंडरफुल पैनल हियर, विपाशा मल्होत्रा and Ujjita Wani, and they are going to tell us what they thought about the film. Did you guys love the film? मैं directly love ही बोल रही हूँ, like पे तो मैं आ ही नहीं सकती.
Yeah, I mean, I liked it. It was very unrealistic. मतलब मुझे इसलिए बुरा लगा क्योंकि like you are like कि क्या मतलब ये मूवी खत्म हो गई, क्या मतलब पीटर केविंस्की मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है, क्या मतलब मैं लारा जीन नहीं हूँ, क्या मतलब मैं ड्रीम नहीं कर रही हूँ हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर का. मेरा 1 साल पहले ब्रेकअप हो गया, अभी भी मैं अपने एक्स को मिस करके रो रही हूँ ये मूवी देखते हुए.
So it's the perfect Valentine watch.
Not for me.
But did you guys have that perfect first boyfriend, or was the first boyfriend very imperfect?
मेरा ऐसा परफेक्ट प्रॉपर रिलेशनशिप अब तक हुआ ही नहीं है. दरवाजा खोल दिया मम्मी ने, तो पता चला यहाँ पे मैं बात कर रही हूँ, hey guys, relationships and my, like कौन सा relationship, hello.
That would be nice. That would actually make the stream work actually.
Yeah, I know, viral हो जाएगा. मम्मी आती है चप्पल लेके.
And then Tanmay will react to the stream.
हाँ, exactly.
So that'll work out well. Vipasha, did you ever have that perfect Peter Kavinsky जैसा boyfriend?
No relationship is perfect, but हम जिस तरीके से उसको perceive करते हैं वो तो perfect होता है ना. Like
too much. हाँ, बताओ.
हनीमून फेज वाले जो लोग होते हैं ना, वो ये चीजें बोलते हैं.
Yeah. So मैं तो मतलब हर relationship के starting में खैर मेरे 2 ही बहुत ही valid important relationships रहे, और उसमें से एक भी मेरा 8th standard में था, उसको मैं important बोल रही हूँ, जो 2.5 महीने का चला. So and yeah, मतलब I think वो बहुत सारी imperfections होते हैं, but जब आप होते हो उस इंसान के साथ तो बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा ड्रीमी सा हो जाता है सब कुछ.
या आई थिंक पहले रिलेशनशिप पे प्रेशर भी ज्यादा होता है थोड़ा सा, कि सब कुछ परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. फिर आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जिंदगी वासेपुर है.
मेरा पहला वाला जो था, that was when I was 15, and वो 3 महीने चला. And so अभी इतने, I'm 22 now, so इतने साल हो गए ना कि अभी whatever, अभी जो भी होगा relationship, I've been in like one serious talking stage before this, अब बड़े होने के बाद, and like अभी जो भी होगा ना relationship, that will be like my first relationship only, क्योंकि वो इतनी बचपन में हुआ था. So there are like, I don't even have any memories.
But are you setting like up ये like, do you have कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, or you're just like go with the flow?
Yeah, as in like I feel like with each passing year मेरे जो वो goals है वो एक एक करके कम होते जा रहे हैं, कि नहीं चल ठीक है, good looking नहीं हुआ तो भी चलेगा, it's fine, मेरे को कभी कभी राजपाल यादव भी क्यूट लगता है, so it's cool.
Yeah.
And and I'm just मेरा बस ये है कि थोड़ा फाइनेंशियली सिक्योर होना चाहिए और इमोशनली सिक्योर होना चाहिए. Financially secure, why? Because it's not easy to deal with guys who don't earn better, don't earn more, because वो उनका ईगो रहता है हर बार. It's not for you, I don't want their money, it's just that तेरे पास मनी होना चाहिए so that you feel secure.
Okay,
It's
yeah,
that.
that's a very very valid and true point.
एंड मैंने
I've
भी बहुत सोचा
experienced.
ये जो मैंने भी बहुत सोचा था कि नहीं 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 मुझे चलेगा, आर्टिस्ट लड़का रहेगा कोई जो कम पैसे कमाता है, बट नो, उनके इनसिक्योरिटीज रिलेशनशिप पे बहुत
हावी हो
प्रॉब्लम
जाते हैं.
करते हैं. ठीक है,
उनकी
तो
इनसिक्योरिटीज सिर्फ पैसे से रिलेटेड नहीं होते, उनके मतलब वो किसी भी तरफ टिल्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक ईदर दे कैन
या
गेट रियली इनसिक्योर अबाउट इट और दे कैन मेक यू देयर मदर.
एग्जैक्टली
So
एंड एग्जैक्टली दैट्स आल्सो लाइक द मदर पॉइंट इज आल्सो वैलिड. सो इसलिए मैंने सोच लिया कि नहीं भाई ये तो एक चीज होनी चाहिए, बाकी कुछ हो भी जाए.
yeah, like in the garb of women empowerment, they'll be like कि तुम मेरा ध्यान रखोगी ना. I'm like मैं अपना ध्यान रख लूं पहले सर. मैं खुद देती हूँ.
So then, instead of just you helping each other to grow, you just end up taking care of that person.
Yeah.
So then it's not right. Like, I mean, I know some close friends of mine who have done that, and I've seen that so closely that, it feels like I have lived those relationships.
Yeah.
Dude, मतलब like ये तो मतलब एक relationship में सोच के जाना ही चाहिए कि if you're dating a guy, तो you should have this in mind कि ये man child है, especially Indian मर्द man child होते हैं. तो इसलिए अगर वो empowered है अपनी कुछ कुछ चीजों में तो वो अच्छी बात है कि फिर वो पूरी तरीके से तुम पे नहीं डिपेंडेंट होगा. You know,
कम से कम ये बेसिक चीजें तो भी होनी चाहिए जो हमको यूजुअली सोसाइटी बताती है. कभी कभी ना मम्मी यार रॉन्ग नहीं रहते, जो वो कहती है ना अच्छा नौकरी वाला हो, दे नो दैट. ठीक है,
Yeah.
अपने डैड फकअप करते हुए देखते हो ना फाइनेंशियली, तो तब तुमको रियलाइज होता है कि सही कहते हैं. ठीक है आंटी है.
Okay, truth bombs
तो
all the
ज्यादा
way.
ये शिट हम भूल गए कि ये लाइव जा रहा है. प्लीज मेरा
I can
नाम
already count the number of dislikes.
प्रत्याशा मेरा तो स्पेलिंग गलत लिख दे प्लीज. आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू ट्रैक दिस वीडियो.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Only 2 people are watching. We are not even that special.
Don't worry.
अरे बट वीडियो रहेगा ना.
हाँ वीडियो रहेगा.
So that's why.
So any favorite? I think this is the right time to go back to the film because जिंदगी में ज़्यादा ही घुस गए हम लोग.
I know.
Yeah.
Favorite moments, your favorite moments from the film. Like I love the moment for me, like when she's in New York and she has that.
Shut up, Pratyasha.
Oh, okay,
तुम
okay,
मेरे
go
सारे
ahead.
moments नहीं ले सकती
बोलो
हो.
बोलो तुम बोलो. What is your favorite moment, Vipasha, from the film?
Yeah, like that moment when she starts liking like NYU. Suddenly she realized that this is so nice, and I think as artists and writers and comics, मैं उस चीज से बहुत ज़्यादा relate कर सकती हूँ. Because like in your head you think, जैसे मेरे लिए भी है बॉम्बे के लिए, कि in my head I'll think कि यार दिल्ली बेस्ट है, बॉम्बे जाके मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, but हो सकता है कि I have a like change of mind क्योंकि there's so much opportunity there. यहाँ पे अगर माइक्स रोज एक माइक होता है, रोज 2 माइक होते हैं, वहाँ पे 50 माइक होते हैं on a daily basis. So I mean I don't know. ऐसे तो मैं assume कर रही हूँ.
ज़्यादा ये दिल्ली से.
Yeah. And जो भी है, so like I feel like, and especially न्यूयॉर्क से भी हमारा उसी तरीके का कनेक्शन होता है कि we think कि यार बड़ा क्राइम है वहाँ पे, रेंट्स बड़े हाई है ये वो, but why do people want to stick around, and why are people willing to pay all those rents and everything, and why are people suffering so much over there? Because there is so much opportunity and they see hope.
Hope, exactly.
There's a line in the film. She says, so she's trying to convince the boy to come to New York, and she says, all great love stories are in New York. There are no love stories in San Francisco. And and actually the biggest, I think Woody Allen has this that my biggest love story is with New York, because a lot of his films were based in New York, especially Annie Hall, which was his breakthrough. Ujjita, any moments that stood out for you?
So मेरे को प्रत्याशा ने बोला ये बोलने के लिए. No, okay guys, to be very honest, I didn't get the time to watch the third movie. But I have watched the first movie and I have context. Peter चाचा कौन है और अपनी item कौन है,
Yeah.
main है. So I think I really like. Yeah, I don't think there's any point of discussing my favorite movement. But yeah, I like. I would just say that I like rom coms because they make you feel good for a while.
Yeah.
And कि ये रियल लाइफ में नहीं होता है, बट बिकॉज यू हैव सीन सो मेनी रोम कॉम्स, तो
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हारी लाइफ में उसमें हल्का सा भी ऐसा कुछ हुआ, यू फील डबल हैप्पी. रोम
Yeah.
कॉम्स में गिविंग लाइक अ बलून और लाइक कोई घर के नीचे तुम्हारे लेके खड़ा हो जाए, ये सारी चीजें को इतना रोमांटिसाइज किया है ना कि अगर तुम्हारे वाले बंदे ने अगर ये सारी चीजें कर भी दी, कितना सिंपल है घर के नीचे आके खड़ा होना, घर तो इधर ही रहता है, देन यू फील ओ माय गॉड ही इज द वन.
Yeah.
I think that's amazing कि तुम्हारे hopes और expectations भी कम कर दिए rom-coms ने. Hopes बढ़ाने, like it's a very poetic thing कि hopes बढ़ा भी रहे और कम भी कर रहे हैं साथ में.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Is there a
I think
city?
boys should watch rom-com more than girls. Every boy should watch rom-com.
Yeah, they should learn a thing
Yeah.
or two.
Exactly.
is
हम
there
तुम्हारे लिए फुटबॉल देख लेते, तुम हमारे लिए ये नहीं देख सकते.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there a city that you guys want to, it's like a dream city where you would like to settle outside of Bombay or Delhi, where you are currently?
I feel for me, maybe Goa or somewhere with the beaches where it's like
Sun.
pure, yeah, all around the year you are close to water. I'm a water body and I've suddenly started believing in this very much, that whole astrology and वो सब चीजें, क्योंकि मैं specifically ऐसे जगह पानी वाली जगहों पे जाती हूँ, मतलब I get attracted and I spend a lot of my time in the washroom also. मतलब
I'm a
No,
water baby, so I'm always flushing things down.
क्या
It's complete
escalation है.
not just for pooping, but मुझे बहुत ज्यादा comfortable feel होता है पानी के sounds के आसपास, या bucket full of water में बस हाथ डाले रहती हूँ, like nothing else, no
तो
reason.
YouTube
Yeah.
पे water ASMR sounds होते हैं. I think you should check them out.
Oh no, that will just
I-
lead me to like really want to pee. But I just love being around कि वो पानी कल बह रहा है and हम बस बैठे हुए हैं कहीं या पहाड़ों पे या कहीं बीच पे. So yeah.
Ujjita, any city, any town, anywhere outside Bombay where you would like to settle or live for a year?
Honestly, I like cities. I've
Okay.
realized मेरे को
हाँ,
cities
yeah, me
ज्यादा
too.
पसंद है.
Yeah.
गाँव मतलब ऐसे लाइक देहरादून टाइप जगहों से ज्यादा. So any city which is like ऐसे में proper infrastructure देख के मुझे orgasm आ जाता है. Like so much so that मेरा this thing, my wallpaper is fucking this. I don't know what place is this. बस ये buildings मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. Random
Yeah.
कोई तो wallpaper है. मेरा 1 साल से यही wallpaper है.
This actually looks like New York a little bit, no? Like one of those
Yeah.
old.
But it's
style.
some old architecture भी है, old Greek architecture I think. So I'm not exactly sure ये कौन सी जगह है. मेरे को
हो सकता
randomly.
है रोम हो सकता है.
Yeah, and it would, how this would actually sound like a rom-com अगर मेरे को यहाँ पे settle होने का मौका मिले तो exact this place.
That would be very
Yeah.
nice. That's a very
Yeah,
nice.
but like I would want like a Raju Rolls type ठेला वाला somewhere down there, but I know that's not possible. शायद मैं ही बन जाऊँ Raju Rolls वाला.
No, I relate with this feeling कि मतलब even though you want so many like great things या जो भी है, but then you also want that homeliness and कि यहाँ सड़क पे पास्ता मिल रहा है, street side मोमो
Yeah.
मिल रहा है, कहीं पे भी रुक के
Yeah,
चलते
but
चलते
the
मोमो
good
खा
news
लिया.
is now increasingly you get samosa. Samosa is the new burger, guys. सब
Yeah.
जगह समोसा मिल रहा है, तो stress मत लो.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे actually Raju Rolls होगा when you go there.
Yeah.
So don't
By the
worry.
way, Raju Rolls is an actual thing. It's in Churchgate in front of KC College. तो
Okay.
काफी सही है, वहाँ के रोल्स और पास्ता रोल मिलता है, वहाँ पे आलू रोल मिलता है, काफी सही है.
I like how
I'm
we.
promoting Raju rolls for no reason.
हाँ, हम लोगों ने अपना कॉमेडी वॉमेडी छोड़ो, बाद में हम
राजू रोल्स को प्रमोट करते हैं.
Rolls.
आओ यार तुम. हाँ.
In the film, there are 3 concepts. Okay, I'll take you guys through the concepts, and I want to know if you guys had these moments or something similar in your life. Okay, one is meet cute. Meet cute, which is how you describe when a girl and a boy meet for the first time in a rom-com. राइट.
Mhm.
सो जैसे हमारे हिंदी मूवीज में वो टिपिकल होता है कि लड़का लड़की मिलते हैं, लड़की के हाथों में किताब है, टकराते, किताब गिर जाती है और आंखों में आंखें, बड़ा वो प्यार हो जाता है, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग.
Yeah.
Lara Jean's theory is that if you don't have a meet cute moment, you will not last forever. So for a romantic story to do well, the girl and the boy need to have a meet cute. Did you guys ever have a meet cute with anyone? Like, was there ever a moment where, you know, you just ran into someone and you're like, oh my god, pyar hi ho gaya, kind of a thing?
I did.
Or like you ran into like a crush or something. Yeah, go ahead.
I did.
Yeah.
So जैसा movies में नहीं दिखाते कि like you guys cross paths and then you both want to like go, but then you keep going in the same direction, like सामने ऐसे, and then you end up laughing and then you finally give way to the other person. तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था with this guy that I already had a crush on back in school, 4th standard में. And like I already had a crush on him. He didn't, of course. and you know, we had this moment.
You mean of
नहीं
course?
है पिपाशा.
Yeah.
Of course, as in like because I mean
अच्छा,
उसकी
because
थोड़ी
your
लंबी कहानी है.
crushes don't really reciprocate, that's why. Okay, I get it.
No, not. I mean, yeah, mostly ये भी हो जाता है, but I mean to say कि like जब तुम ख्याली पुलाव बना रहे हो, तुमने कभी किसी से बात ही नहीं करी है, तो तुम कैसे
अच्छा,
सोच
अच्छा.
सकते हो कि that person will, you know, बंदियां का तो 2 साल तक प्यार होता है, उससे बात भी नहीं करती हैं एक बार, तो like I was literally like that. So yeah, like we had this moment where in a classroom we wanted to, मैं एक तरफ जाई थी, वो दूसरी तरफ जाना चाह रहा था, लेकिन हम दोनों जैसे ऐसे होता रहा, and then finally he gave way to me.
That's
मुझे
very.
लगा wow, now he'll fall in love with me. ऐसा कुछ नहीं
That's
हुआ.
the perfect meet cute. Urjita, any meet cute moments from real life?
मेरा कॉलेज में 1-2 बार हुआ रहेगा सेम ऐसा ही कुछ कि मतलब यू नो इधर उधर जाने का, या फिर यू नो दैट आई कांटेक्ट दैट कीप्स हैपनिंग.
Yeah.
बट लाइक नथिंग हैपेंड, मुझे पता भी नहीं है उनके. बट अगेन ऐसे देखने को जाए तो प्रॉपर मीट क्यूट मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं, एकदम प्रॉपर. And I also have never been in a proper relationship, so you never know. Lara Jean दीदी could also be true. उसका ये theory भी सही हो सकता है.
Yeah. For me, I remember I had a crush on this guy when I was in school. Okay, and you guys know I went to school here in Assam, right? So in Bombay there are like ginke 10 Assamese लोग. I've hardly ever ran into any Assamese people. And don't ask me why, but for some godforsaken reason, I once decided to run a marathon. And सुबह के 6 बजे I'm standing in the middle of that हीरा नंदानी का whatever, and हर तरफ से sweaty uncles ऐसा सब कर रहे हैं, and वहाँ पे I get a tap on my shoulder, and it's my that, you know, old Assam ka school crush. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, now this marathon is worth it. So yeah, that, I mean, it's not exactly a meet cute, but it was like cute enough for me. So yeah. But उसका कुछ हुआ नहीं.
But like being very like, you know, being, I don't know if that is even a term, but like too much minority in Mumbai because Assamese लोग इतने हैं नहीं. So like don't you think ऐसे कोई अगर Assamese अगर कोई मिल गया तुमको, Assamese और Assamese है, मैं pronounce
Assamese, yeah, you're
Assamese, right? Yeah. So Assamese अगर कोई मिल गया, so don't you think कि उससे बात करने के chances तुम्हारे ज्यादा है? As in like, you know, तुम लोग आजू बाजू background देखोगे भी नहीं, but just because he's an Assamese, so you would talk to him.
Yeah. That has happened to me. I've spoken to random people when I heard them talk in Assamese on the phone or something. I'm like, oh my god, I'm from Assam. I'm that crazy person. So yeah.
Nice.
But now the numbers have increased. Sorry?
What?
Everyone who belongs to like a specific, मतलब जहाँ पे अलग उनकी लैंग्वेज होती है इंडिया में, तो सभी लोग मतलब करते हैं, like if they hear someone, oh you're from Vizag, I'm also from Vizag.
No, but like it also depends ना कि like अभी मुंबई में जैसे बिहारी लोग काफी ज्यादा है, so वो लोग I don't think a बिहारी would react the same way because बिहारी में अबे तू साले मेरे को मालूम है क्या इतना कोई नया बात नहीं है, ठीक है. But like Assamese, yeah, कम लोग है तो मतलब it's like, you know, कश्मीर में कोई महाराष्ट्रियन मिलना मुझे, that would be like something, क्योंकि महाराष्ट्रियन लोग मुंबई छोड़ के जाते नहीं है, इधर ही मिलते सब के सब. So that's why.
Yeah. Another theory in the film is the song. Okay, so throughout the film she keeps complaining कि हम दोनों का कोई गाना नहीं है, we don't have a song. Have you guys ever had a song with when you Urjita पे ये question apply नहीं होता?
Yeah. मतलब song as in मैं समझी नहीं.
Like a couple song. This is
कि
our
तुम
song,
दोनों
baby.
like that is your relationship song basically.
Yeah, your relationship song.
No.
Vipasha?
I mean, obviously it doesn't apply.
नहीं मतलब
And
there was
you are a
no
singer, so
there was no relationship song, but there was one song that I really liked, and I dedicated that song to that person.
will you tell us the song, if not the person?
Yeah, it was this uh, Rolling Over Me by Tyler. Oh, पता नहीं कुछ था उस singer का नाम. But basically, I sang it for him when he broke up with me, and I posted it on. मैं ये सब क्या करती थी?
आयो.
और मैं सोचती थी कि ओ मैं indirect डाल दूंगी उससे तो सब समझ आ जाएगा. वो तो मेरी प्रोफाइल देख वो घंटा देखता भी नहीं था कि खोल के भी नहीं देखता था मेरा पेज की विपाशा ने कुछ नया डाला भी है कि नहीं.
It's okay.
So,
हम
yeah.
अभी check.
That way I had a guy sing a song for me at 2 in the night. So उसने मुझे voice I was mad at him और उसने मेरे को गाना भेजा था.
What was the song, Urjita?
It was Reha by Anup Jain. This happened like
Recent.
Yeah, recent.
Yeah, because Anup Jain
Nice.
just now
Yeah.
he's a rage. That's nice.
I'm pretty sure he won't watch this stream, so I don't even mind saying that.
Have I ever had anyone? No, no music for me. Anniversary stories. Any anniversary stories?
Yeah.
I like how she has a story for everything.
I do. And पता नहीं anniversary बोलूं कि birthday बोलूं क्योंकि like the guy that I was with उसका ये था कि he was really into grand gestures और बाकी time treating me like trash. So you know कि एक दिन ऐसा कर दिया कि वो वही पैसे लुटा दिए and then बाकी दिन bill please pasta तुम sponsor कर रही हो. So like थोड़ा सा ऐसा था कि बहुत ज्यादा ग्रैंड जेस्चर्स में था वो तो मतलब फ्लैटर भी हो जाती थी. तो एक बार उसने आई थिंक मेरे बर्थडे पे किया था कि हमारी एनिवर्सरी पे किया था ये मुझे नहीं याद है. बट उसने अपने एक फ्रेंड से मेरा एक स्केच बनवाया था. उसने पहले पूरे दिन आधा दिन प्रिटेंड किया कि उसको याद भी नहीं है कि हमारी एनिवर्सरी है या कुछ है. एंड देन सडनली शाम में मुझे फोन करके कहता है कि ओके आ जाओ यू नो और ऐसे करके और उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स थे वहां पे और एक स्केच बनवाया हुआ था उसने और केक वेक रखा हुआ था पूरा कैंडल से सजाया था. उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स ने उसकी हेल्प करी थी ये सब करने में.
How sweet.
तो
So cute.
Yeah.
दे
दो बेबी पास्ता के पैसे.
क्या
अब तो दे दो बेबी पास्ता के पैसे. It's fine.
Yeah. Like वही होता है. बट देन मतलब लाइक एक दिन आप करके फिर पूरे साल भर दूसरे को मिसट्रीट करो वो नहीं चलता. लाइक इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी. या बट लाइक कि एक दिन इतना ज्यादा स्पेशल कि ओ प्रिंसेस क्वीन ये वो एंड देन बाकी टाइम की फोन भी नहीं उठाया. मेरा स्लीप शेड्यूल फक्ड है बेबी. मेरा स्लीप शेड्यूल तेरा 5 साल से फक्ड अप है साले. तो कब ठीक करेगा?
And the last theory that I'm taking from the film, it's called promposal, where the guy, when they are asking the girls to come out for the prom with them, somebody does a flash mob to ask. One person writes it on a pancake to ask, which is the main couple actually, and the third couple they do it as a dare. Because the girl is like मैं कभी prom में नहीं जाऊंगी तो उसका दोस्त उसको dare करता है कि तू अपने boyfriend के साथ prom पे जा. And she goes for the prom. So these are the 3 promposals in the film. Which you can either pick one of these as your, which would be perfect for you as a person, or you can tell us what would be your perfect promposal. Like I personally really like the pancake one, like Urjita said that Pratyasha ने बोला था.
क्या करता है पैनकेक का? आई थिंक मेरे को स्पेसिफिकली याद नहीं आ रहा.
Peter and Lara Jean always went to the same Delhi.
अच्छा हाँ वो सेम.
Yeah.
Okay, तो वहीं पे वो उससे पूछता है कि will you go to prom with me?
Will you go to prom with me? I really liked it
बाकी क्या सिनेरियोस थे?
एक में flash mob होता है, the very beginning where that guy he does a flash mob to ask her hey will you go for a prom with me? And Chrissy के लिए उसका boyfriend I think Trevor नाम था उसका कि they dare her to go for a prom because she's like I don't go for proms, it's very conventional.
Okay.
I think Heath Ledger in 10 Things I Hate About You did a flash mob way better than anybody else. I think that was like one of the first flash mob
Flash
proposals,
mob.
if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah. 10 Things I Hate About You is just one of the most perfect rom-com movies ever.
Yeah, because you
Yeah.
know, I just like the way कि उन्होंने लड़की को ऐसे सहमा हुआ वगैरह नहीं दिखाया था. The girl is rude. He's like, मैं rude मैं वैसी हूँ. तेरे को क्या problem है? It's you know, it's a breath of fresh air.
Fresh air. Yeah.
Yeah.
But what is your any favorites out of these, or what would be you guys का favorite promposal, guys?
मुझे डेयर वाला बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा because it doesn't have too many like expectations and it has like more curiosity attached to it कि like it's not like कि you are going on a date with me but it's like I dare you and like you have that like curiosity intensity रहती है लोगों के बीच में कि क्या flirting होने वाली है कि नहीं होने वाली है.
And also expectations नहीं रहते because you know you feel you're just playing along कि oh yeah let's see what you
Yeah. Which is such a cute like her expression and all. Let's see. Okay.
Ujjita, any favorites out of the three?
out of the three तो पता नहीं but like ऐसे नहीं I don't know man I think just being direct मैंने बोला ना मेरे expectations बहुत कम हो गए just be direct like when we are vibing okay properly vibing be direct सीधे से पूछ like take that risk don't think कि oh क्या होगा दोस्ती का क्या होगा or you know just like whatever would we stop talking if she says no just take that leap man before I lose interest in you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So we'll do some questions, okay? But we'll do them real quick. Like if to answer faster, okay? So this section is yay or nay. Okay, again, this is from the movie where when they discuss theories, they keep asking each other yay or nay. Okay, so I'll give you guys theories and you have to tell me if you're for it or against it by saying yay or nay. Okay. Would you rather go on would you rather go on a date under the northern stars or on a beach, and you have to say yay for one and nay for the other.
Yeah.
For which one? So one
Okay.
is northern stars and one is the beach.
Can't I say yay for both?
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
I love both the scenarios.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
बीच पे काला खट्टा होगा सो ये तो देखा चीजें इतनी मिडिल क्लास वाली है ना कि बीच पे काला खट्टा है ऐसा नहीं कि बीच पे खुद का यॉट होगा ये होगा
but that thing that the food gives you from
बीच यॉट भी हो सकता है ठीक है बीच पे या फिर रूफटॉप कोई रेस्टोरेंट या ऐसा कुछ बट नहीं मेरे दिमाग में काला खट्टा आया पहले वो चटाई पे बैठ के तारे देख रहे और फिर वहाँ के भिखारी आके बोल रहे दीदी खाना दे दो and then you just see him tackle those भिखारी.
That is Ujjita's idea of क्या बोलते हैं?
It's very realistic. I really like that.
Yeah, it's very realistic.
Her idea of relationships and everything is not at all like rom-com वाला तो नहीं है.
Yeah, because the thing is I've gone out with guys who were to ICSE board for me. And I knew that they won't do well in these situations.
This is the definition of personality type to ICSE.
Like, you know, मुझे ऐसे थोड़े जल्दी पता चल जाता है कि कोई लड़का ऐसे भिखारियों को कैसे डील करेगा कि से ए बचाओ जाओ वहां पे जाओ पुलिस को बुलाएगा और वो से अरे बेटा नहीं ये बेटा नहीं है you know this is more like my type.
Ujjita, don't set low standards for yourself. झेल लो issue बेटा पुलिस को बुलाएगा झेल लो because later on reap the benefits of that.
अच्छा oh nice.
फ्यूचर से थोड़ा वापस इस घटिया क्विज में आके गाइस ये और ने डेट विल बी योर डेट विल बी वेल ड्रेस्ड बट ही विल बी चेकिंग अदर पीपल आउट ओके योर डेट विल बी shabbily dressed but he'll be obsessed with you. Which one? Yay for which and nay for which?
Yeah, but checking other people out because if he's shabbily dressed and he's obsessed with me, मतलब ये मेरा
मैं भाग रही हूँ
अच्छा करेगा ये स्टॉक करेगा जबरदस्ती करेगा like
it's sounding wrong. It's just sounding very wrong. Like वो एक तो shabby भी dressed है ऊपर से मेरे को घूर भी रहा है. It's not done.
Very nice. Okay. Do you guys like singers? What is like the a very like tempting quality for you? Like a guy with a
Singer who doesn't want to convert that into his profession. I love
yeah,
those.
yeah. Okay, so you are on a date with a singer, like a really talented singer, like the perfect guy. Okay, but he doesn't
Like
understand.
Bipasha.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
okay, but he doesn't understand you.
Okay.
Doesn't let you complete your sentences. ये सब जो भी बकवास, ठीक है? And then that is your one option. Option number one. Your option number two is you are with this guy who really gets you. He understands you. Okay, he lets you complete your sentences, but he's super boring. Like really boring. Like when
Option
he talks.
I literally the second thing has happened. So I'm
So
just like
yay or
immediately
nay?
getting yeah.
So
I
And
think
because first date पे if he's acting all understanding और मेरे हर एक चीज के हाँ में मिला रहा है मतलब वो झूठ बोल रहा है. It's obvious.
yeah.
He just wants to get laid. That's it. So yeah.
so you'll
I
go.
think
Yeah.
yeah, I will also go with the singer because ठीक है मतलब मिसट्रीट होना तो आदत बन चुकी है बट बोर नहीं हो सकते.
Anyway दोनों लड़कों के साथ आगे बात बढ़ने नहीं वाले so
Yeah.
might as well get entertained. पता चला अगर मेरे को अगर वो उससे ज्यादा ही इल ट्रीट कर दे तो मैं उसको बोल दूं तू गाना गा और लोगों को बोल हाँ छुट्टा लेके जाओ.
Yeah.
In the film, Lara Jean is planning a wedding for her father and Trina. Okay. If I give you a celebrity out of these three, whose wedding would you like to plan and why? Okay. Your three options are Anushka and Virat, Deepika and Ranveer, and Rakhi. Pati kaun hai pata nahi.
Rakhi because low demand less demands
You
और
think Rakhi is
she
less demanding?
yeah I mean less demanding as in मुझे पता है मैं डरूंगी नहीं राखी से I just know this.
Okay.
You know I won't feel like them
I feel like अनुष्का विराट और दीपिका रणवीर की जो शादियां हुई हैं बहुत ही ज्यादा आइडियल और बहुत ही ज्यादा परफेक्ट तरीके से हुई हैं लाइक मैं
yeah.
वो जो फोटोज देख के जो खुशी मिलती है लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक यू नो
Yeah.
go and like arrange their marriage
तो
because I
अगर
don't think
कॉमेडी करने की बात बोलेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली अनुष्का विराट उनकी शादी में बिकॉज आई नो आई कैन डू अ गुड जॉब बट इवेंट मैनेजमेंट तो मैं नहीं करती ना तो मैं
yeah
राखी
exactly
सावंत दीपक कलाल whoever I just manage them
Pakala.
Nice. Vipasha, same choice, same answer.
yeah मतलब I don't want to but ठीक है राखी कर देंगे
राखी को खुश करने के लिए बस लाइक 3 चीजें मैं बोल दूंगी कि मैंने मीडिया को बुलाया है दैट्स इट दैट्स द ओनली थिंग
yeah बहुत कवरेज मिलेगा हाँ
yeah that's it
Perfect. In this film, she gets a new parent.
हाँ
And if you were to choose a celebrity parent, who would you choose? I'm giving you three choices, but you can add your own choice if you want. Ranveer Singh.
अनुष्का विराट मेरे को अनुष्का की बेटी बनना है मेरे को
मुझे शाहरुख की बेटी बनना है
Oh, I had given Shah Rukh as an option. Wow, at least somebody I got correct. So.
Yeah, Shah Rukh is also a nice option.
Nice. Why Shah Rukh, Vipasha?
because he's so laid back and chilled out and I think अगर मैं उसके घर में बड़ी हुई तो मेरी पर्सनालिटी भी काफी कूल बन सकती थी बन सकती थी
बन सकती है. I mean है. My God, it's you make it very difficult to give a compliment. Okay, I will and Urjita ka Ranveer and Virat and Anushka I understand obviously. So in the film, if you remember, she had two sisters, right? She had Margot
Yeah.
and Kitty.
Yeah.
If you guys get a chance of picking,
what is happening in Urjita's house?
We are also getting a home tour today.
Yeah.
Are you settled in now?
She needs to adjust the camera.
Yeah, it's fine. मुझे सिर्फ तुम्हारा forehead है अभी. हाँ, हो गया. Perfect.
Sorry guys, location change करना पड़ा because you know हाँ it's a very high budget Zoom call तो location से अलग है.
House tour मिल गया हमको एक.
Yes.
Yeah.
And while we were talking about celebrities, we got a celebrity home tour. Nothing like it.
Exactly, that was planned, you know.
Completely.
filming. It's all about cinema. It's all about the movements, reading between the lines. God.
Okay, guys. In the film, she has two sisters, Margot and Kitty. If you guys had to pick celebrity sisters, so Lara Jean is the middle sister, so you would be the middle sister, and one of these girls would be your elder, and the other one would be your younger sister. Your two options. You have to tell me the one you pick, and you have to tell me why. Your two options are obviously Karina and Karishma. Option one. Option two is Shilpa Shamita. Okay, and option three is Malaika and Amrita. Whom do you pick and why? You will be the middle sister. So जैसे करिश्मा बड़ी होगी करीना छोटी होगी आपकी.
I think I would pick Malaika and Amrita because then I would be the more famous one.
Very nice, beautiful.
Yeah,
Vipasha.
that's a good.
Yeah, and also Karina थोड़ी self-obsessed लगती है. Like she sounds like somebody जो limelight छीनेगी.
All the
Yeah.
time. Yeah, very
I
much.
don't really do well with these kind of people around me. I'm not somebody जो limelight छीनती है, but it's just I can't do well with those kind of people because then मैं disappoint होके बोलती तुम ही कर लो यार खेल लो मेरे को नहीं खेलना.
I think अगर मुझे इन options के बाहर कुछ choose करना पड़े तो मैं choose कर सकती हूँ काजोल को. I would like to have her as my sister, or like someone like Vidya Balan, or मतलब जिनसे थोड़ी mommy vibes आती हैं जो
Oh,
who
that's
will
sweet.
actually be able
And
to
what about a
care and
younger
nurture.
sister? If you take Kajol or Vidya Balan as the elder sister, what about a younger sister that you would have?
I'm just thinking about someone that
I cannot imagine myself as the elder sister in
maybe
even a hypothetical scenario.
Same actually.
maybe
to be honest.
Alia Bhatt or
Yeah, Alia Bhatt would make a nice. She is a nice younger sister. She seems like a nice younger sister. In the world of hypothetical questions, here is my favorite. Okay, if you, that is you, Vipasha, and you, Urjita, were Lara Jean, which is the lead of the film, who would be your Peter Kavinsky? You can take a
सच
celebrity.
बोलना है. Oh shit, yeah, तुम सच नाम नहीं वाले.
That's completely up to you.
नहीं, she's saying celebrities.
Celebrities. Yeah.
No, take names. Urjita, क्या मालूम? शायद तेरे
अब
नाम
मुझे
लेने
तो
से-
कोई साउथ इंडियन लड़का चाहिए, थोड़ा लंबा, थोड़ा डार्क,
राणा रघुपति.
इंग्लिश में बात करता हो एंड फनी भी हो और मतलब गंजा भी चलेगा, चलता है, लंबा हो तो.
This sounds like a very specific person.
Yeah,
it
I
does.
have a few names, but I feel like I shouldn't take them.
And
Rajnikant.
फनी हो, थोड़ा फनी हो, बट
Rajnikant
साथ
is
में
funny.
Very
बहुत
funny.
ज्यादा फनी भी नहीं हो, मतलब लाइक मेरे से कम. या
Urjita.
मेरी बातों पे ज्यादा हंसता हो, लाइक मैं तो खैर ड्रीम बॉय क्यों बताने लग गई हूँ अपना.
Yeah, you had to tell a celebrity. I think ये celebrity पहले इसको celebrity बनना पड़ेगा, फिर ये तुम्हारी फिल्म में आएगा. हाँ.
Yeah, I don't know. Don't kill me for this, but like somebody with like a slightly Delhi vibe, but not the creepy vibe. You know the
हाँ,
एकदम
आयुष्मान
open-hearted,
खुराना
एकदम
type.
ज्यादा थोड़ा extroverted.
पंजाबी वाइब.
या जिसमें वो तो मुंह फट होते हो, मतलब मुझे मेरी तरह ही मुंह फट इंसान चाहिए, कोई जो दिल में है वो बोल देगा, ज्यादा सोचेगा नहीं.
पर वो डम भी होते हैं ना, फिर
आयुष्मान
मतलब
बनना
ऐसे
ही है.
बहुत लड़के हैं यहाँ पे, मतलब
I know. It's just that because I haven't been with a Delhi guy, तो इसलिए मुझे पता नहीं है. So obviously my thing is coming from a place of ignorance. A place of less
fantasy, yeah.
Yeah, because I've been with a South Indian, so that's why.
तो इसीलिए देख मेरे को अट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, because मैं नॉर्थ इंडियंस के साथ ही.
तूने जो भी exact description दिया ना, I've been with someone like that, except for the bald part. So that's why I'm like no, the cold, the shy, quiet, वो बहुत ही बोलते हैं ना कि एकदम अंदर ही अंदर रखने वाले रहते हैं काफी.
Quiet ना हो, मतलब हाँ ठीक है, should be like ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, अच्छा विटी बात करता हो, सब हो, and then पता नहीं इकोनॉमिक्स में डिग्री कर रखी हो या ऐसा कुछ. I don't know.
Yeah.
There is a guy like that in the Delhi scene. मैं उसी को क्यों describe कर रही हूँ? There is a guy like this.
Don't worry, do comics watch this. Don't worry. This question is doing the rounds on Instagram, so I am posing it to you guys. tell us about your crush. Now it can obviously be a celebrity crush without telling us about him, without taking his name. Okay. Like for example, I watched Mirzapur, and you double the fun for me. So that would be Vijay Varma because he was in a double role.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So in the same way, each of you can tell us, and we'll try. And if you're doing a celebrity, you can tell us a celebrity, and we'll try and guess who you're talking about.
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, nice. Ritik.
Who could it be? Is this Virat Kohli? I don't know, man. मैं अपना सोच रही हूँ मेरा कौन क्रश है या आई मीन वेरी वर्सेटाइल और अलग-अलग स्क्रिप्ट्स चुनता है फिलहाल तो यही है और
राजकुमार राव या विकी कौशल
आयुष्मान खुराना because she just
या आयुष्मान खुराना या
she just put
अलग-अलग स्क्रिप्ट चुनता है उसके सारे मूवी में सेम ही एक्टिंग होती है
नहीं
वो सारे मर्दों के ऊपर सारे जो भी अत्याचार हो रहे हैं सोसाइटी में उस पे उसने सारी मूवीज बना डाली
now
है
you are describing
मेरे आयु को कुछ मत बोल ठीक है विपू कम ऑन
पहले उसने जो है विक्की डोनर पे बनाई फिर उसने बाल झड़ने पे बनाया गंजेपन पे बनाया बाला फिर उसने उस पे बनाया मेल इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन पे
इतना वो मर्दों इनफैक्ट ही इज डूइंग द राइट थिंग वो मर्द है तो वो मर्दों के प्रॉब्लम्स ही बोलेगा ना इफ ही ट्राइज टू डू औरतों के प्रॉब्लम्स वाले फिल्म तो वैसे भी लोग उसको अक्षय कुमार बुलाएंगे
बट वो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब वो हो गया है कि लाइक वो सेम ही टाइप का रोल निभाता है सारी मूवीज में ऐसा लग रहा है
अलग रहते हैं अंधाधुन वाज डिफरेंट शुभमंगल सावधान वाज डिफरेंट
I like how true Urjita's pyar is.
Yeah,
I would have dropped the celebrity like that. I would have been like, you're right. Fuck it,
the only thing that is consistent with Ayushman is change. That's what I would like.
No, I don't think so. she's being all like, I don't think. Oh please, ऐसा नहीं है. And plus उसने बहुत बेकार काम किया था. वो कौन सी मूवी है जो गे homosexual love वाली है?
शुभमंगल ज्यादा सावधान
मतलब उसका कैरेक्टर कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आया वही कि
मतलब ग्रे एरिया थी I know even I had found the movie a bit problematic but of course I'm not like you know want to say कि इसमें क्या होना चाहिए because I'm not exactly representing that community
okay
भी नहीं पता उसके nuances and all
मैं कम्युनिटी की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं तो बस कह रही हूँ कि उसकी एक्टिंग मुझे उतनी इम्प्रेसिव मतलब पता नहीं था कि ये मतलब करना क्या चाह रहा है टाइप कि लाइक it was a very weird sort of acting that he did. Anyway, chalo, we can move on.
Very brave choices, both of you. Last question in this, okay. And my favorite. I hope you've come prepared for this. Bollywood casting for the film. So Lara Jean, who's the female lead, Peter Kavinsky, who is the male lead.
Alia Bhatt. Sorry.
The father. Do you guys remember the father? He was in Sex and the City. He was the first boyfriend.
I remember.
Yeah. And let's do the two sisters. Margot, who's the elder sister, and Kitty, who is the younger sister.
इतना सब अभी सोचना पड़ेगा इसके ऊपर.
Let's start with the couple. Lara and
Alia Bhatt, and the guy could be Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Very nice.
Same. I was thinking same.
I'm surprised
because chocolate boy image.
Yeah. And also वो दोनों अच्छे भी दिखते हैं साथ में.
Urjita Parth Makwana says you look too cute.
Me? Oh, yeah. Thank you. I don't know who you are, but okay.
Alia, Aditya Roy Kapoor, you have to give me a father. The father is a very sweet, protective father, but also he's not like overly obsessive or anything. And the two sisters, Margot is the one who goes to Scotland, and she's very ambitious. And Kitty is somebody who is very opinionated. She's young, but she's quite opinionated. So these are your remaining characters.
छोटी वाली जो है, I think परिणीति चोपड़ा.
Yeah, even though
I feel like परिणीति चोपड़ा opinionated वो अच्छा कर पाएगी, and also उसको काफी roles नहीं मिले बॉलीवुड में.
Yeah, so, I think even Shikha
she's unexplored actually, and like काफी potential है, but because she chooses bad scripts, like exactly the opposite of what Ayushmann does, so that's why उसका ये नहीं हो रहा है.
True.
But and बड़ी वाली जो बहन है उसका ज्यादा रोल नहीं है ना, if I'm not wrong.
उसका ज्यादा इस मूवी में नहीं है, इस मूवी में नहीं है.
Yeah. So फर्स्ट वाली में भी नहीं था काफी रोल.
Yeah, she's
First वाली
more
में भी
like a maternal, almost like a maternal replacement for the family because the mother is, she passes away because of cancer. So Margot is somebody who's maternal, but at the same time, she's somebody who's a little ambitious.
So I don't know her name, but like the woman who played Shrikant's wife in Family Man.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I don't know her name, but I
Her
got what you're
or
saying.
Parvati. She's a South Indian actress.
I know.
Got
Yeah,
it.
Parvati is also amazing. Actually, Parvati is like more a lead kind of a person, but like
For this role, yeah. And the
Yeah.
father.
father
Somebody who's protective but sweet.
Jitendra.
Just for the laughs, I suppose.
नहीं genuinely जितेंद्र उसने काफी फादर वाले फिल्म्स किए नहीं है, but कुछ तो है. I don't know if you guys seen it.
Yeah.
उसमें he did like a nice job. क्योंकि वो अपने बेटे का बाप बन रहा था, I guess maybe that's why. So Tushar Kapoor is the lead actor in that movie.
Isn't that movie with Isha Deol which has that song?
Yes. The movie with amazing songs and equally bad script.
Okay, Parth says he knows you very well. So I guess he's a fan, Urjita. But who isn't? And that's it, guys. That brings us to the end. Any parting thoughts for the stream, about the movie, about rom-coms, about Valentine's Day in general?
That I'm fucking lonely.
Very nice, beautiful. Urjita, any parting thoughts?
Any parting thoughts?
Will you go and watch the movie now after you
अपना
have come
टाइम
for this
आएगा. I'm
stream?
just saying. जो जितने भी सिंगल लोग हैं, अपना टाइम आएगा, guys. कौन सा पता नहीं, maybe realize because the thing with love is कि because अभी तो नया ट्रेंड चालू होगा कि 40-50 की उम्र में भी मिल सकता है. So the love stories, the theme of love stories is set in a way that you keep hoping till the last moment of your life.
Yeah, like fucking hell, कहीं पे तो बंद करो ना. ठीक है, मैं अकेले खुश हूँ.
एंड लूडो पे तो हद ही कर दी. लूडो में तो पंकज त्रिपाठी बेड रिडन हो गया था, उसको पैराप्लेजिया हो जाता है, फिर भी उसको प्यार मिलता है. सो till the last moment, you cannot lose hope, and I think that's good in a way because you don't get the time to be hopeless. कि कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा.
That's sweet.
That's what I think about love in general.
Parth says, please discuss about Boys Club. Parth, this movie is called To All the Boys, Always and Forever. It's from Lara Jean's perspective. So we are discussing Lara Jean's perspective, but there are discussions in which we discuss men's perspective as well. So come back for those. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Urjita and Vipasha, for coming and sharing your thoughts. And have a happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
You too.